everybody, welcome to Saturday. I couldn't fish my way out today and film the morning report because this wind's just howling. It's blowing 25 plus. The west end is completely white. The waves aren't terrible. I mean, they're only 2 to 3 footers, but the wind shear is crazy. Like, it's just moving the boat like this. I had 6 bags out, every bag I own this morning. I've only made one drift. I started over by Woodworth Point on the North Shore. This wind keeps going back and forth. It's anywhere from southwest to northwest. I've been out here since 6:30 this morning. I haven't seen another boat on the west end. Maybe somebody has, I don't know. I haven't seen anybody. Air temp was in the 50s. I think it still is. Like I say, wind's howling. Surface temps at 51.6. I haven't went back up on anything. I mean, I've seen fish. I've caught some fish. Nothing crazy. It's hard to have any kind of feel whatsoever today in this, because it's just getting pounded, you know. And the last 2 days, 3 days, it's been blowing hard like a mother fluffer from the east, and now today it's just blowing like a mother from the west. 2022 has been the year of the big wind. Doesn't matter what direction it is, it just howls. Howls. I'm not going to tell you that I'm not a little tired of it. And there's also nothing I can do about it. Mother Nature is what it is. Had 2 short walleyes. Had 2 short walleyes on that purple big shiver minnow. I had one smallmouth and 1 pumpkin seed on the that gold flake rot jaw blade, and that's been it. So I'm 3 hours in. I've had enough. My legs are like jelly trying to stand up in the wind between. It feels like somebody's, just like Monday when I was out with my buddy Keith, feels like somebody's pushing on you, like they're just pushing on your back, and you keep leaning forward, and I can't straighten up, I can't stand up, it's just everything's been a struggle. So I've had enough. Going in to take Courtney to breakfast, and that's the day. So I wish I had something better to tell. Oh gosh, I wish I had something better to tell you. If you're out here today, be safe. I can't imagine anybody's fishing from the Middle East in this, and I can't imagine what it is. If you live down at that end and you're near the lake, put in the comments below. I gotta think there's 5 footers plus down there at Sylvan Beach with the way this wind's blowing. This is the remnants of whatever that thing was, a hurricane, tropical storm, whatever, I don't know. It's all the same. I don't know how much rain we got last night, but I woke up this morning about 4, and the first thing that came to my mind was automatic bilge pump doesn't work in the boat. So I got dressed quick, came downstairs, put my jacket on, and went out, and the whole back of the boat was full of water. It took about 25 minutes for that to pump out once I plugged it in and turned it on. But we got a pile of rain. We needed it, but we got a pile of rain last night. Courtney and I were laying in bed watching a new series, The Lincoln Lawyer, on I don't know, Netflix. And all of a sudden I hit mute on the TV, and I thought it was the train just downriver from us. It wasn't. It was that wind and rain, and it was pouring. Cats and dogs, baby. So by tomorrow night, they say this is going to turn to snow, and then Tuesday, Wednesday be a little cold but better, and so we'll see. So I'm heading in. Thanks everybody for sticking around. Have a great Saturday. To all my veteran friends yesterday, I didn't even realize it was Veterans Day till I got home, and so in honor of all the veterans and all my buddies, and I know I've watched it multiple times when back in the barracks when I was young, I watched the Dirty Dozen with I don't know, all the old originals, Jim Brown and Charles Bronson and Lee, the hell was the Major's name? Lee something. It wasn't Lee Majors. I think that was a $6 Million Man. Ernest Borgnine, the guy from Towering Inferno, whatever that guy's name was. Man, it's a great movie. I hadn't seen it in years, and I watched almost till the end, and it was pretty awesome. It was a great movie. I think it was made in the 60s. Jim Brown and Charles Bronson make a bad mother fluffer team, let me tell you what. Both those boys were badasses. So, happy Veterans Day to everybody, a day late. All my brothers and sisters in arms. And I'm getting out of here. I'm not going to be able to go fast, but I'm getting out of here. Thanks, everybody. In the face of a hurricane, you only got one thing you can do. Keep your tip up.